Aaron, continuing to focus on the positive here. We are going to see rain, but a little bit less of it throughout the rest of the week.
Yeah, today was the big day. We're going to calm that down. We have a couple peaks of sunshine coming back, so I'm just going to focus on all the good things. Unless you're a plant, you liked it today. Now, for your day here today, we already had a lot of rain. A lot of us noticed that, really, especially in Portland and southern Maine in general. Portland got up to about 1 1.3 inches here for your day today. A lot of the rest of the state not seeing too much, more so just a little bit of mist or a light sprinkle, but not even enough that the sensors could pick up on. So it really fell apart as it moved through the state, with the western half of the state getting the most. Now, has it felt like a rainy June? Because it has felt like that to me, and I think most of us have felt that way, and that is 100% what the forecast has been. We have already got 2.5 inches here in Portland. Here in Bangor, we got about almost 2 3/4. Everybody is above where we should be for this time of the month. So we definitely have had a pretty rainy one so far. Now, at this point in time, we're not seeing quite as much, pretty much nothing, just a few showers here and there and a little bit more moderate up in northern Maine at this point. But we're really seeing the pattern starting to change here. But we're still going to have rain in that pattern. We can see more from another system that's out off to our west right now in the mid-Atlantic region, and that is going to start to move over into our area. And as the jet stream pushes off to our south, we're in a trough, it's called, and as we are, it's just going to snap us back in that same pattern that we were in last week, where it's always kind of cloudy, a little shower here and there, and a little peak of sunshine every now and then. So we're getting back into that pattern here for the rest of the work week, really, up through Saturday. We're going to kind of be in that general pattern. Now, what it's going to look like is this. Mostly clouds here. We're going to see a few showers here and there. Mostly pretty light, but sometimes you're going to have a slightly heavier one. But other times, you're also going to get some sunshine back in the forecast as the clouds break here and there in the afternoon. So a little bit of everything is what we can expect, even those couple heavier showers as well. So be ready for a little mix of everything. Some sun, some rain, and some clouds as we move through the next couple of days here. For your rain totals, though, not going to be that much. We're not looking at a ton of rain stretch over these next few days. Think Portland got 1.3 inches today. Nowhere near that for anybody here as we move for the next few days. And this is going to be for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this is stretched over 3 days, not very much rain at all. I think the big thing we're going to start to think about more so is going to be fog tomorrow morning. There's a dense fog advisory for everybody along the coastline and a little bit further inland for Augusta and Lewiston, down from York County up through Waldo counties. We're going to continue to see some very dense fog, lowering your visibility under 1/4 mile in some places at times. So just be aware of that here as we move through and you start driving tomorrow morning. Not the most exciting 7-day, I know. We're going to see the rain chances lasting, a couple storms possible here and there as well, especially on Friday and Saturday. We can expect to see that in your forecast. But as we get to Father's Day, we're going to start to notice the sun trying to come back out. And for the beginning of the work week, the same general story. Along the coastline, temperatures just couple degrees cooler than we have inland, but everybody's staying with pretty normal high temperatures in the low to mid 70s. So temperatures are cooperating. We're just going to have that rain still staying in the forecast.
That's all right. And Sunday's looking decent for the dads out there.
Exactly. So we're getting there.
Thanks, Aaron.